Hey guys, MD95TSI here, and I have been working on my drones, and today I bound a transmitter to a drone. Totally my fault. Wasn't waiting for the sticks. I didn't bind it to the Tyrannus. It's still there. I wasn't waiting for the sticks to be that, I guess, new. Like, I bound it to the one that Kev sent me off of the one that I've been using. And, yep, I had it set. I was sitting on the couch when I did it, which was stupid. Had it at my feet, raised it up, and, yeah. There's what the end game was. So it came over to me. It was literally at my face. So I just put my hand in front of my face because I'm ugly enough. I mean, I can't tear my face up. But nothing broke or anything. It just scratches. It looks bad. It's more bumps and bruises than anything. And it cracked me right dead smack on the thumb on the other one. That joker hurt. I tell you what. But anyway, and it like come around and smacked me in the side with the light bow. But it was. I wasn't on the throttle hard or nothing. It's just that's why thank God I wasn't, because it probably would have took that finger off if so, or at least cut me open pretty deep there. But it's a little stiff and sore. But other than that, that's the game of the drones, man. And when you're like me, an idiot, and play in your house, that's what you get. So I just want to share it with you guys, give you guys a laugh. Ha ha ha! MD done chopped his elbow. Yep. I love you guys.